Hey everyone, and welcome to this unboxing of the Enchen Hummingbird hair trimmer or a beard trimmer. This is what I am excited about. 0.1 millimeter cutting thickness. So it should be pretty much as close as possible to a clean shave, because I did purchase this as a beard trimmer more than as a hair clipper. Let's have a look what's in the box. This has been advertised online as a really good hair clipper, but as I said, I'm going to use this as a beard trimmer. Enchen Hummingbird. You've got 3 combs there, 0.1 millimeter cutting thickness, and the rest of it is mostly in Chinese. It holds a 1000 milliampere battery, which is supposed to be enough for as long as 4 hours, not continuously, but 4 hours of usage. Manual. Let's put that away. Trimmer oil. The combs, which for me, if I would have to use this as a hair trimmer, would just not be enough, because obviously this is 1.5, 1.5 again. No, this is half, 1 and 1.5. But in my opinion, this is not enough to do a hairstyle unless you are using a barber scissors, which I couldn't say too much about that because I have no experience. Charging cable. So it's an actually USB with a specific plug for this machine. Okay. Hanging clip. And the Enchen Hummingbird. I love the fact that it's got an LED indicator to let you know when the battery is running low, and you shouldn't have problems. Okay. We have a brush as well for cleaning. The head should be detachable. Yes, for cleaning purposes. Now let's put this back in. And then this is what I was very excited about. It's the 0.1 millimeter thickness in cutting. Let's just put this head to head with a different styling machine. It is a bit noticeable, but on camera it's not very noticeable. Now, in terms of weight, it weighs 156 grams, comparing to my old beard trimmer, which weighs 160 grams, 16 grams. Then we have the One Blade by Philips, 96 grams. And the Gillette Pro Styler, 84 grams. To charge it, all you have to do is plug this in, and then you should be good to go. It's taking roughly 3 hours to charge, and then you should be able to use it for 4 hours. Well, I think this is what they are trying to say there. 2.5 to 3 hours to charge, 5 volts input, and then Hummingbird, whatever, and then 1000 milliampere battery. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just do a noise test. So this is the Hummingbird. This is my old beard trimmer. Then we have the Philips one blade. And then we have the Gillette. So I would have to say it's quite silent. But I will put this to the test later and I will see. There's the LED. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you know anyone who's looking to buy one of these and they're interested of what's in the box, how it looks, and how much it weighs, then feel free to share this with friends. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you did like it. Until then, see you next time.